It's Mark. Every year since 2011, more hospitals have closed than have opened. For example, in 2016 alone, 21 hospitals closed, 15 of which are reported to have been in rural communities. Over the long term, this is just a result of the shift of care from the hospital setting to the outpatient setting, chiefly to the ambulatory surgery center, the ASC setting. But depending on the particulars, each of those closed facilities could be repurposed into something new, into a freestanding ASC, a large ASC, into a sort of mall of multiple ASCs, into a medical mall with many, in essence, stores, an ASC, aftercare, imaging facility, clinic space. Could also be part of what I term an MOC, a massive outpatient clinic, which is a combination of various elements, in essence, a non-hospital hospital. But for physicians, and especially physicians who are aligning with legal counsel and with development advisors on these projects, this requires a different way of looking at a healthcare venture. It's not the same as, for example, entering into an exclusive contract for anesthesia services. It's not the same as developing a freestanding, independent, in essence, not tied to anything else, imaging facility. It's a different sort of vehicle that requires, again, a different way of looking at how healthcare ventures can be structured, a different way of aligning with venture partners, and actually different venture partners. If you want to explore these options, let me know. We'll talk.